Question number 176. Which of the following is a deep pressure receptor scattered in the dermis of our skin? Scattered in the dermis of our skin. The very first option given is phonoreceptor, and this is an incorrect option because phonoreceptor are present in the ear and not in the dermis of our skin. The next option given is Meissner's corpuscles, and this is an incorrect option because Meissner corpuscles are present beneath skin but not in the dermis but in epidermis. Epidermis. And these Meissner corpuscles are light pressure receptors and not deep pressure receptors. The next option given is olfactory receptor, and this is an incorrect option. Olfactory receptors are present in the epithelium of nose and they are responsible for detecting odor and not pressure. The last option given is Pacinian corpuscles, and this is a correct answer to our question. These Pacinian corpuscles are responsible for detecting deep pressure receptors and they are present in the dermis of our skin. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 177. Select the incorrect statement, and the very first statement given is menopausal women are more prone to osteoporosis, and as it is a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because deficiency of estrogen in menopausal women causes an increase in activity of osteoclast cells, and this results in resorption of bone, and thereby this resorption of bone leads to osteoporosis. The next statement given is adrenal medulla is derived from ectoderm while adrenal cortex is derived from mesoderm, and as it is a correct statement, so cannot be a correct answer to our question. The next statement given is renin act as hormone as well as enzyme, and as it is also a correct statement, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question because renin is a hormone which is secreted from Golgi cells of kidney, and it also catalyzes the reaction of conversion of angiotensinogen to angiotensin 1. So this is a correct statement and cannot be a correct answer to our question. Our last statement is damage to anterior pituitary may cause Graves' disease, and this is an incorrect statement, so this is a correct answer to our question because Graves' disease is an autoimmune disease resulting in hyperthyroidism. So which gland is associated with Graves' disease? Thyroid gland and not pituitary gland. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 178. Even in complete darkness, we are able to maintain posture and equilibrium of our body with the help of. So which organ is responsible for the maintenance of posture and equilibrium of our body? The answer is option number 2, that is vestibular apparatus. This vestibular apparatus is made up of 3 semicircular canal and otolith, and these structures are responsible for the maintenance of posture and equilibrium of our body. Let's discuss other options also. The next option given is organ of Corti, and this is an incorrect option because organ of Corti is responsible for the conversion of mechanical sound vibrations into nerve impulse. The next option given is cochlea, and this is also an incorrect option because cochlea is the main hearing organ and is not responsible for the maintenance of equilibrium of our body. The last option given is scala tympani, and this is also an incorrect option because scala tympani is a chamber of perilymph-filled bony labyrinth and is not responsible for the maintenance of equilibrium of our body. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. Let's proceed to the next question. Question number 179. which of the following is not a part of brain stem? And we all know that brain stem is made up of midbrain and a portion of hindbrain. Lack which part? Cerebellum. And we know that hindbrain consists of pons and medulla. Let's discuss the options. The first option given is corpora quadrigemina, and as it is a part of brainstem, so this cannot be a correct answer to our question. Next is pons and medulla oblongata, and as these are the parts of hindbrain which is included in brainstem, so these are the incorrect options. And the last option is cerebrum, and as it is not a part of brainstem, so this is a correct answer to our question, because cerebrum is a part of forebrain and not of midbrain or hindbrain. So the correct answer to this question is option number 4. Let's discuss our next question. Question number 180. Collection of cytons in CNS is known as, whereas group of cytons in PNS is known as. Select A and B correctly in given choices. The very first option given is ganglia and nucleus, and this is an incorrect option because the collection of cytons in CNS is known as nucleus, whereas the collection of cytons or group of cytons in PNS is known as ganglia. So the correct answer for this question is option number 2, that is nucleus and ganglia. The next option given is nerve tract and fasciculus, and this is an incorrect option because fasciculus is a muscle bundle of skeletal muscle fibers. The next option given is fasciculus and nerve tract, and this is also an incorrect option because again fasciculus is a bundle of skeleton muscle fibers and it is not a group of cytons. So the correct answer to this question is option number 2. So with this question, I would like to end up the discussion of this AIATS paper. I hope all your doubts and queries have been solved regarding this paper. Thank you very much for watching and all the best.